Welcome to Cruising 3030. We're gonna weld today. Bang, bang. What? Hell no. All right, I want to welcome everybody to the gun show. Woo, yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Step to a Slim Jim.
Welcome.
Showing what a box spring would do to your deck. Piece of the deck. But then it also come around here. This is where it actually tore into the deck itself.
And what was this?
Old mattress spring, box spring. All right. No, right there.
This one held. That shit ain't moving, dude.
Now here's the only other thing.
How long you weld this one weld real quick?
All right, go ahead, do that.
How's that look? Oh, that's way better. There you go. Look at that now. Look at that now. Is that better for you?
Oh, no, yeah, you laid me down now. Don't even hang it.
Thank y'all for tuning in to Cruising 3030.
Thank y'all for tuning in to Cruising 3030.
If you like my content, please like and subscribe for more.
Bang, bang, what?
Bang, bang, what?